Good morning, friends. Today we will see the newer process or new technology regarding welding. Out of which we have seen laser beam welding. Now we will see electron beam welding. It is again a advanced welding processes. It comes under advanced welding process. Here it is again a fusion welding process. That means we are going to use an external energy for the formation of weld point. During the electron beam welding processes, the high velocity of electron beam is implementing on the workpiece. That means bombarded. Kiwa it is concentrated over an area of that workpiece where welding to be done and produce a cold seam of metal by heat and part to be welded together. Correct. The process is carried out in a vacuum chamber at a pressure of about 2 into 10 raised to minus 7 to 2 into 10 raised to minus 6 psi. Such high vacuum is required in order to prevent loss of electron energy in collision with air molecules. The equipment is going to be used for welding or different parts of these for electron welding equipment are vacuum chamber, power supply with controller, electron beam gun. See, this is the process. With the help of this beam source, we are creating an electron. That electron gets accelerated with the help of anode. Then through this focusing coil is concentrated over the workpiece, and this system totally this welding is done in vacuum to avoid the collision of molecules with air molecules. Okay. The electron gun is used in this process. A tungsten or molybdenum filament is a containing with cathode and emit an electron and gets accelerated by anode. Electrons accelerated by electric field are then focused into a thin beam in the focusing coil. Deflection coil moves the electron beam along the way. When the electron is focused to 0.25 or to 1 mm diameter by using focus coil, the electron beam energy also intensified. The heat is obtained on the workpiece surface with strike of metal surface with high velocity of electron motion energy. Kinetic energy of the electron is transferred into heat energy due to the impact of electron. The strike of high velocity electron beam on the workpiece, heat gets generated and temperature of above 2500 degrees centigrade can be formed or achieved. Thus, electron beam is created with high vacuum, the range of 10 to 4 torr, when the sharp focus of the greatest distance between the gun and the workpiece. The electron beam welding not requires such as filler material, gases and electrode. It is not possible of oxidation and contamination of metal during welding process. When welding of mild steel require the highly deoxidized filler metal is going to be used. Advantages are high speed weld, low heat input, cooling rate high, low distortion of workpiece, welded part clean together, high accelerated electron heat require a tremendous penetration. Tremendous penetration, and heat affected zone is small compared to other welding processes. Advantages or disadvantages or limitations are usually this process takes place with vacuum, so weld provided in vacuum chamber. Equipment is more expensive compared to conventional weld. The air removed from vacuum chamber, so pump is required which increases the cost. The safety measures must place on welding. Applications are titanium alloy and aluminum alloy can be welded, diamonds can be welded, 150 thickness plates can be welded with this type of electron welding machine. Better to concentrate on this figure. This gun can move in x direction and y direction, so that you can achieve any type of any longitudinal or transverse direction welding also you can be achieved. When this cathode emits the electrons with the help of this anode, it gets accelerated. When it gets accelerated, its speed increases, so it is having high kinetic energy. And this with the help of this focusing coil, we are concentrating this high speed electrons to one single point or narrow welding range. With the help of this the focusing coil, it is concentrated to a one point, and this high speed kinetic energy, when it touches to the metal, that high speed kinetic energy is converted into heat energy, and that heat energy is going to be used for the formation of cold seam or whirlpool. This is the working of electron beam welding processes. Correct? This is for electron beam welding processes. So major advantages are high speed weld, because temperature can be achieved within a second. So high speed weld. Low heat input, heat required is very less. Cooling rate is high, because after welding formation of heat is there, and that heat or cold seam should be cooled down in a faster manner. That can be achieved. Low distortion of workpiece, because it is concentrated heat is there. Due to that, other area is not going to be used because that other area is not getting affected with that heat, and when the other area is not getting affected with the help of heat, the low distortion of workpiece will be there. Welded part clean together, because it is work again, there will not be formation of flux and everything. So whatever will be the welding is there will be clean welding area, clean welding portion will be there. So extra cleaning cannot be required. High accelerated beam heat require tremendous penetration. The heat affected zone small compared to other welding processes. Same thing is cooling rate, low distortion, heat affected zone is small compared to, and due to that only low distortion will be there. Limitations: when it is expensive process, because you have to create an vacuum, you have to perform that welding in a vacuum. So preparation of vacuum with the help of vacuum pump is a costlier or costliest program or process in this welding area. And air is removed with the help of pump, because if air molecules there will be obstacle to electron beam by air molecules, the kinetic energy gets reduced, and required cold seam heat required for cold seam formation will get reduced due to the obstruction. That some energy, that some heat kinetic energy possesses heat that can be gets disturbed due to the obstruction. The air removed, and for that purpose you have to remove the air from the vacuum chamber. आणि सेफ्टी मेजर्स पण आहेच आहेत, कारण हे सगळं करत असताना आपल्याला जे काही सेफ्टी मेजर्स असतील ते वापरणं तेवढं जरुरी आहे. आणि शक्यतो एवढं हाय हीट असल्यामुळं, भरपूर हाय हीट असल्यामुळं टिटॅनियम अलॉय किंवा अल्युमिनियम अलॉय जे असतात, ज्याला हाय हीट रिक्वायरमेंट आहे, ह्याच्या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला त्याचं वेल्डिंग करून वापरता येतं. डायमंड इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये जे आहे तिथं पण तुम्हाला इलेक्ट्रॉन बीम वेल्डिंग वापरू शकता. किंवा थिकनेस, ज्याची प्लेटची थिकनेस इफ इट इज मोर दॅन 150 mm, this type of welding can be used, because due to the high heat generation is there due to the bombardment of electron. Okay, thank you. So this will be our electron beam welding process. Tomorrow we are going to see thermal welding processes. If anything is problem, please ask me. Any problem, you can call me anytime.